Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to get Bubble in PKXD easy method. Start by opening the in-game shop and checking the seasonal and limited tabs for Bubble offers. Next, join current events and complete easy tasks like visiting zones or collecting items to earn Bubble tokens. Save coins and watch for flash sales or daily rewards that sometimes include exclusive Bubble variations for a lower cost. Follow a clear routine to maximize chances of getting a Bubble quickly. First, prioritize event zones that drop Bubble tokens and use boosts if available. Second, play daily quests and mini-games to build a steady coin reserve and earn bonus items. Third, check the shop for limited sales and consider trading duplicates with friends to complete sets faster and secure the Bubble you want without overspending. Use practical tips to speed up your Bubble hunt and avoid frustration. Team up with friends to coordinate event runs and swap duplicate items instead of buying new ones. Monitor the shop each session for limited time Bubble deals and save coins for those opportunities. Finally, keep track of your progress and set small targets so earning a Bubble feels rewarding and consistent instead of daunting and random.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.